Hello, this is Mrs. Worrell, and I'm going to go over problem of the week number 10. It's due today. It was due today. I'm making this on Friday, April 26th, 2019. But you have 2 more weeks to complete it. So I wanted to create this video to just read the problem to you and make sure you understand what is expected. Okay, so read the problem, write your answer for each part, make sure to show your work, and explain where necessary. Submit your completed assignment via the assignments tool in the course. Okay, there's 4 parts, A through D, to this question. Answer them all. Okay, make sure that when it says show your work, you show your work, and if it asks you to explain, you explain for full credit. When possible, you should put your answers in full sentence form. Okay, so restate the question and give your answer. So number 1, Isaac's bowling scores for April are shown below. His mean score after all 5 games was 221. What was Isaac's score in game 5? So in this, we have game 1, 2, 3, and 4. In game 1, he scored 225. In game 2, 245. In game 3, 222. Game 4, 230. And they're asking you to figure out what is the score in his 5th game, so that when you find the mean or the average of all 5, you will get 221. What was Isaac's score in the 5th game? So your answer should go on the line, the answer line. It should say Isaac's score for his 5th game is. That's how you'll state your answer. And you need to show your work. And as a hint, you want to think of the formula that you would use to find the average. Okay, plug in what you do know and see if you can find out what's missing. And so it's more than one step. Once you find in that formula, you're given the mean and you're given the number of games. You're missing what? If you find that value, you can use that value and the value of the 4 scores for the 4 games to find the missing value of the 5th game. All right, part B, what was Isaac's median score for the 5 games? Show your work. So here you want to list your values in a certain order. I'm not going to tell you which, but to find the median score, they have to be in a certain order. Once you list all 5 scores, find the median. Again, your answer should be Isaac's median score for the 5 games is, and then your answer. Part C, Isaac bowls a 6th game, and his median score changes to 227. So you found the median score in part B above for the 5 scores. Now you're going to find the median score. Now they're giving you the new median score, and it changed to 227. What is Isaac's score on the 6th game? Showing your work is not necessary, but it will help you when you have to explain how you found your answer in part C. So if you show your work here, or go down and show your work in part D so that you can explain what you did and why. Okay, somewhere you have to do some work to find the answer. So again, you want to list the 5 games that were provided, right, from part A. But you want to list them in the specific order that you usually use to find the median. Okay, so now you're going from 5 scores to 6 scores. So when there's an even number of scores, right, to find the median or the middle, you have to average the middle 2 scores. Okay, so in order to figure out where that 6th score goes, you might want to find out, well, if it's 227, where does it fall in with the current data? Okay, and then if you're going to average the middle 2 numbers to get 227, what number needs to be in the middle there? So hopefully that's a little bit of a hint. Again, the median score is going to shift because there's 6 scores now instead of 5, and you have to figure out what score on that 6th game would make the data set have a median of 227. And then for part D, explain how you know your answer to part C is correct. So explain how you got it or prove that it is correct. Okay? Make sure you submit this for grading as soon as possible. Again, it will close, I believe, on May 12th. So you have 2 more weeks to complete this assignment, and that means complete it, read the feedbacks, make corrections as necessary to earn the highest score possible. If you have any questions, send me an email or come to my office hours for additional help.